Earthquake. I feel it. Oh my God. Do you feel it?
People were shocked by a 7.0 magnitude earthquake that struck Northern California, United States, on Thursday, December 5, 2024, at around 10:44 a.m., causing tremors from the south to the Bay Area. A tsunami warning was issued for nearly 5 million people along the Northern California and Oregon coastlines. According to the United States Geological Survey, USGS, this strong earthquake, dubbed the 2024 Cape Mendocino offshore earthquake, was centered about 10 miles southwest of Scotia in Humboldt County. Water in swimming pools shook violently due to the quake. Additionally, about 10,000 customers were left without power in Humboldt County.
Dad, there's an earthquake happening. Look at the pool.
Due to the tsunami warning, police in Berkeley, California, issued evacuation orders in parts of the city. However, by midday, the warning was lifted for coastal areas in California and Oregon, including San Francisco.